Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix Instagram not letting you share posts to story. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps I can suggest in fixing this issue. The very first step is to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and make sure that the app is up to date. If not, please update your Instagram app. Afterwards, you just simply open your Instagram app, and then right here, you should be able to see the share button or the airplane icon right here on the rightmost part of the like and the comment button. So if you cannot see that button, that means that the user disallowed the sharing of his or her post on their Instagram account. So again, if this icon is not there, this means that the user has disabled the feature wherein you can post or share their post on your story, I mean. So to post or to share posts, you just simply click on the share right here and click on add post to your story. And then you should be able to see this section. So let's say, for example, that the user or the post doesn't have this option right here. What I would suggest you would do is that you screenshot this post. So on iPhone to screenshot, you just simply click on the um, upper volume and then your power button. So you need to click them um, the same time and make sure to not hold them. So you just simply click on them and then this will be screenshotted. So if you have the assistive touch, you just simply click on your assistive touch and click on screenshot right here. And then now you may go to your story and then add the screenshotted posts. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram story not letting you share posts. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.